Hey friends, we're going to be putting up some of these Hexagon acoustic panels in our little recording studio here. So let's get going. Usually just peel these off and stick them on there. What are we starting out with? Black?
Blue. That's blue.
Is that black?
It's blue.
Blue.
And then black gray or blue gray black? What do you want to do?
Blue.
Blue gray black. That way it doesn't look like blue black gray. Or yeah, or black black gray.
So blue gray black?
Yeah.
Blue. All right, so we're going to get this here. That is sticky. We need another blue.
Blue, black, blue,
blue,
gray.
Where you at? That's
blue,
not gray,
black, blue, gray. Ah, there we go. That's what I meant to grab.
So what's this one's gonna be gray then? Black?
Well, you just work up now. So blue, gray, black, blue, gray, black. The black's name, we make that triangle pattern in the middle. So black.
So hang on, if we go black, and then blue, and then gray, and then black.
Yeah. The black's gonna go right here.
Ooh, I like that. So I got a black.
Blue, gray, black, blue, gray, black, blue. We need blue next. Here's blue. I got blue.
I got blue.
Then I got gray.
This has to be perfect.
Well, yeah, kind of hard to mess it up.
Oh, you should just scrunch down a little.
Oh, yours isn't stick. Is that the one without the stick?
Stick. Did you push down hard or what?
I put it on there properly.
Might have to take another peely off there. So what's that one? Black is the next one?
Yep. Black and then blue.
And this one's black. Why are my triangles not touching there?
Yeah, it is.
Over there. Okay. Now we're back to our pattern.
Yeah.
Blue. So gray.
What are you messing with my blue?
There's just a little bit. There we go. Black. Now we need a blue.
Blues are on the chair.
Tricked me.
I said blues.
That was the...
There were blues.
Okay.
There are two blues there.
Blue, gray, black, blue.
I got black. And then you go another, wait, blue, gray, black, blue, gray.
Gray. There's a gray. Ha!
Ah. Oh, that means I have the black.
Trying to see if there's level or not. Here, put one on the top. See if that's that level or up or something. Looks good.
Yeah, looks good.
All right. Is that supposed to be black?
Yeah.
What's our next one?
Blue. Wait. Blue, gray, black, blue. Yep. I got blues right here. Ha. Almost like
I need gray.
Uh-huh.
Take that out.
This right here. Take that. Right here.
Okay, I saw that. I heard you.
Then you gotta take it off first.
No, you don't. You can't see it. Blue, gray, and then black.
I feel like the gray has a predominant overpowerance here. Right here, the gray's running up there.
Blue's running up there.
And then black is
static.
in between. That's kind of cool. What happened there?
Why'd you mess yours up? That's fine right there. You pushed yours all the way into my blue.
I'll split the difference. All right.
It's just barely touching. That's how I had mine. All right. And now I start on the underside. I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
That looks cool.
So what you could do, we could add on here. So how it goes: blue, gray, black, blue, gray.
No, this goes
Black.
down. Black, gray, blue, black in the bottom.
That's what I'm saying. So look. So we recreate the pattern by going
This
down, right?
pattern
So look,
right there.
you got blue, gray, black.
Oh, so black's gonna go here.
Gray.
The
No.
top pattern goes down.
Black.
Starting on
Blue,
this side.
gray. Yeah, it'd be black right there then.
But
So the top pattern goes to the bottom.
the
I'll
black.
take a black, yeah. You just take one that you see black. What are you getting?
Black. I need a gray.
Yeah, look, we got grays right there.
Just looking for one with a piece missing.
Oh, this one needs another sticker.
So it's gonna be black,
Gray.
gray.
No, side more. Yours.
That looks pretty good. And then gray.
Mhm.
This way.
Yeah.
That looking centered. Or...
It just got to be against this and all that, yeah.
No, black.
It's not.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe it looks different.
Black.
Uh-huh.
No, maybe
Plugins in my way. Up a little bit.
Thank you, Mom. I appreciate that.
What's our next color?
But
What's the next one? Blue,
gray, but
gray. Why am I having a hard time keeping track of this?
you just gotta look at this and recreate the pattern.
it's just because you're putting it up this way.
Yeah.
Somehow, why is not touching? Okay. After Sean is blue. It looks cool now.
I like that.
Thank you.
So you can take these off. You can peel them off the wall, and then just if you want to change it, you can put it back on there. Sometimes the sticky will come off. I'm only sticking these up with like one corner of it. If you took all this off, it'd be hard to get it off of there. Stuff's super sticky. Blue.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's in the way. What if I cut a little bit off?
No, no.
Just a little bit, so it would be hardly any.
That's looking really good though.
Yeah, take it out.
It'd literally just be like,
It'd be like a tiny corner like that.
I wouldn't, but
You want to bring us some scissors, please?
well,
here,
put
just
the other
mark-
one and first see
just
what
mark.
Kind of hard to
Give a
mark.
mark. Hey, moved.
happens. Wait, just put it on first and see if you need to or not. Okay, now go put the other gray one now first.
I mean, just because it's sticking out a little bit.
Is there two in there or one?
One.
Where the?
It's right. Here's my mark.
What is this?
I marked it for you. You do it on the back. Literally just turn it around.
Hang on.
Then rotate it like that. That's where it would be right there.
Okay, so
Just make an indentation in with that line. Cut along that. I want to do it.
no, it's got to be like straight.
See how I'm doing this?
See, I'm doing this, son. So we want to go straight up here.
Pretty easy to cut.
Yeah.
Even if it does overlap a little bit, it doesn't really matter either.
If I had like a razor. We have a razor. Where's that one for the kitchen thing? All right.
In the meantime, I can probably put this next one. Black, blue, gray, black, blue, gray, black, blue, gray.
You use like an X-Acto knife to cut these too. So scissors, and then I just want to make a triangle. So you have a razor blade, just cutting that part out real quick. Ooh, sharp. Careful. Almost there. Almost. Had a little bit sharper razor, I think. This is our kitchen scraper, so.
There you go.
Okay. Hey, what happened?
How'd you have it?
Because we cut it backwards, that's why.
We have plenty more blue ones then.
Hey, hang on a second.
Actually, it doesn't even really matter. You just need to fix it right here.
How did we do that? Because we messed up intrinsically.
Well, I mean, it's still the same, no?
Mostly. That's what I wanted to mark on the side. Okay.
That way you just cut straight off.
It seems like it would have just translated over, but
Mm-hmm.
live and learn. What exactly is holding this on now?
Hair. Like Velcro. Move them over a little bit.
Okay.
There we go.
You have room for one more?
No. We'd have to trim the bottom.
Oh, so close.
That's cool.
I think that looks really cool though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I think that looks really sweet though. I like how the gray and the blue jig up to it, or maybe we should have switched them every other. I don't know. I think it looks pretty sweet, guys.
It's pretty
Thanks for
cool.
watching.